Hey guys, so as you can see, Rosie's apron is getting close to being finished. I need to sew this part on and then finish sewing these together, put the straps at the top, and then we're gonna put a little pocket for her to put her cooking spoons in. Hey guys, so as I showed you, I'm almost finished with Rosie's apron. I thought I'd be finished by now, but it's almost done. And I thought of another project I want to try. I've got these, this is a very old seed catalog, and I thought it would be fun to do a challenge. Well, my first thought was to do a challenge where I do a 6x6 painting of each one of these, but then I thought I should choose some, and then so I was going to choose a whole bunch. But anyway, for now, I already have these 2 primed canvases, so I'll start with that and then see if I can go from there. So I think that this week I'm going to choose two of these flower pictures from the seed catalog to do on these canvases and see what, maybe I'll do more after that. I don't know. So yeah, so those are my projects for this week. Yeah. I feel like there was more things I wanted to show you, but they just didn't make it onto this video. So hopefully next week. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.